In this episode of Incredible Karnataka, let's visit St. Mary's Island off the coast of Malpe, Udupi. Presenting to you the memoirs of an inspiration by Creative Mindblocks. This jewel of Karnataka will mystify its beauty with crystal clear water and sparkling texture of its grainy sand. We are on the rock pile which dates back to 88 million years. St. Mary's Islands, also known as Coquelin Island and Tonsipar, are a set of 4 small islands in the Arabian Sea of the coast of Malpe, Karnataka. But on the approach to the islands from the Malpe beach, Brahmini kites, great white egrets, grey egrets, and a group of large Asian grebe bee-eaters have been recorded. Egrets are known to build tree nests in colonies which are close to water, and they are found here in plenty. In the year 1498, Vasco da Gama landed at St. Mary's Island. On his journey from the Kingdom of Portugal, he fixed a cross and named one of these islands O Padre de Santa Maria in Portuguese as a dedication to Saint Mary, the Virgin Mother of Jesus Christ, before proceeding to Calicut. The only way of getting to the islands is by boat. For advanced boating service, visit Malpe Beach, which is around 6 kilometers from the town of Udupi. However, the frequency of the boats will be every 20 minutes, or there is a regular ferry service which plies a 6-kilometer distance from the Malpe fishing harbour. Scientific studies indicate that the basalt of the St. Mary's Island was formed by subaerial subvolcanic activity because at that time Madagascar was attached to India. The rifting of Madagascar took place around 88 million years ago. All links to the island are only through the mainland town of Malpe, which is a major fishing harbour. It's a true walk into paradise. The western coast of the islands are a seashell haven with seashells of various shapes and sizes littered along the coast. There is no sand beach to swim and relax since it is scattered with basaltic rocks. A detailed description of the natural flora and fauna of the islands and the Deria Bahadur Gur, the islands north of the port of Malpe, named after the cross set up by Vasco da Gama. Columnar rhyolite lava here form one of the 4 geological monuments in Karnataka state, one of the 34 National Geological Monuments of India, declared by the Geological Survey of India in the year 2016 for the protection, maintenance, promotion, and enhancement of geotourism. The monument is considered an important site for geotourism in Karnataka.